Do you want more money? How about freedom? Peace of mind? Sounds good. Well, then you need to learn the basics of investing. Don't know the first thing about investing? Well, lucky for you, this video is going to be that sweet match that Tinder never provided you with. However, I need to make sure that we are clear on a few things. First, this video does not concern itself with stock trading. Our time horizons will be years, not months. This means no day trading, no swing trading, and no technical analysis. You may like those things, but I do not know enough about these topics to say anything intelligent about any of them whatsoever. Okay? Okay. Second, since this will be such a fantastic video, you should definitely tickle that little like button for me.
Do it! No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Yes, you can!
With that said, let's start the timer. So, how will investing help you achieve the things I just promised? Simple, compound interest. Now you might ask yourself, what is compound interest? Well, remember the classic story about the golden goose? No? Well, let me tell you the really short version. This guy finds a golden goose, and the goose lays these beautiful golden eggs.
B-E-A-beautiful.
Which can be sold for profit. However, not being so smart, the guy decides there must be a bunch of these golden eggs inside the goose, and he kills it. Lo and behold, no more eggs for Mr. Smarty Pants. Well, how does this relate to you and you investing and compound interest? Well, when you invest your money, you turn them into a golden goose that generates golden eggs, i.e. interest for you. But even better, these eggs can in turn hatch into smaller golden geese, which also in turn produce golden eggs, and so on and so forth. Pretty soon you're going to have a golden geese army producing money for you, without you having to do active work for it. That's why you need to invest. Now, at this point you might ask yourself, Lucas, I have no knowledge about how to invest my money, nor do I have the time to learn.
I had no interest. I just wanted the goddamn stuff.
Well, first of all, that is what this channel is all about, so do yourself a favor and subscribe. Do it. Secondly, you do not even have to. Just put it all in index funds. This will expose your investment to the majority of a market in, for example, a particular country. Then, as long as economical progress continues, you reap the benefits. The hatch? Sometimes the market pulls back dramatically for a short period of time, which can make things very scary. However, if you just use something called dollar cost averaging, which is just the process of investing the same amount of money month after month after month,
Another one.
you will do great. Oh, but you want to get frisky and pick companies to invest in yourself? How about you don't? Still want to do it? Okay, but consider yourself warned. This is what you need to know. First, invest in what you know. This can be a field you work in or something you have a great interest in and spend a lot of time researching and thinking about on your spare time. Second, make sure any company you end up investing in checks these criteria. Great management, solid financials and profit. To find out this, you will need to learn some basics about financial statements. How difficult are their products to replicate? And how loyal are people to the business? If products or the business model itself is hard to replicate and they have a very loyal customer base, the business will have a much easier time generating consistent profit. Then finally, you have to learn how to evaluate a company and only invest if you get a company at a fair or bargain price. That should save you some of the worst growing pains when you start. Does all of this sound too complicated and time consuming? Well, too bad then. Go back to indexing. If you still want to try it, again, subscribe, because this is what we try to help you learn on the channel. Now finally, the last and most important part, your own psychology. You need to understand that your own psychology is going to be your biggest nemesis when you invest. That is why you need to familiarize yourself with your own thought errors or biases. Lucky for both of you and me, since I am running out of time, this is exactly what the next video covers. Now remember, happy investing!